of word problems for chapter 1. And obviously I do know how to spell, just did not see that. So we are going to finish up our study of word problems for chapter 1 today. Alright. So your heading is chapter 1 word problems part 2. Be sure to include today's date like I always encourage you students to do. Chapter 1 word problems part 2. And here we go. Be sure to include today's date. Now, I really don't have a lot to say in the way of introducing this material. You know we are going to look at word problems from chapter 1. That's what we already started before. Let's just jump right into this and get this done, okay? In your notes, you're welcome to write the word problem down. I think that's a waste of time. I would not do that if I were you, but you're welcome to. I would simply write this in your notes so you know where the problem came from, so you can turn your book and look at the problem anytime that you need to, okay? But that's up to you. So page 33, example number 2, and here we go. You and 3 friends are having a dim sum lunch. I've never heard of that, not sure what that is. A dim sum lunch at a Chinese restaurant that charges $2 per plate, okay? So every plate that you're going to eat, you're going to be charged $2, okay? You order lots of plates of wontons, egg rolls, and dumplings. Your final bill is this much. How many plates did you order? Now, I'm not worried about an equation or anything like that, but how many plates did you order? Well, first of all, this was your tax. So when you look at this total right here, students, that total right there this total is not from plates. It's also from your tax. So let's subtract out your tax, and you're going to see this much. Now that's a lot better. So you spent how much money? $24. Each plate was how much? $2. So 2 goes into 24 12 times. How many plates did you group order? 12 plates. Alright. 2 times 12, $24. Alright. Alright, moving on. Again, you're welcome to copy this problem in your notes if you want to. I just encourage you to write this in your notes, page 34, example 3. Alright. Now if I go too fast, just pause the video and listen to what I say again if you have to, okay? Here we go. A pilot is flying from Los Angeles to Chicago. He's traveling at a speed of 500 miles per hour. Okay? Got it? That's your speed. Your speed is 500 miles per hour. Now, you're 600 miles away, and the air traffic controller calls you from Chicago and says it's going to be 2 hours before you can land because of all the planes coming in, okay? Now, the pilot knows, based on how high up he is, he has to go at a certain speed or he's going to fall out of the sky, okay? So he knows he has to go at least this fast, alright? So, first question, at what speed does the pilot have to fly the jet to arrive in 2 hours? So it's really, really simple, okay? How far are you away from Chicago? 600 miles. How fast would you have to go to get there in 2 hours? Well, think about it. Divide 600 by 2, that means 300 miles. You have to go 300 miles every what? Hour. So in other words, you're going to have to travel 300 miles per hour in order to travel 600 miles in 2 hours. So, at what speed would the jet have to fly to arrive in Chicago? 300 miles per hour. Now, is that a reasonable speed? Is it reasonable for the pilot to fly traffic to Chicago at the reduced speed from part A? Well, of course not. Look up here, guys. If you're not traveling at least this fast, you're going to stall and fall out of the air. So is it reasonable? No, it's not reasonable. So what must the pilot do? Well, there's many answers you could give. I'm not a pilot, so I don't know how much of this is reasonable. But here's Los Angeles. Here's Chicago. I'm not saying they're in a straight line. I don't know. I don't really care. But the pilot could alter his course to go like this. Instead of flying in a straight line, he could once he gets there, he could go into a holding pattern where he circles Chicago until he's able to land. Okay, different solutions like that. Alright, okay guys, last problem. Most of your learning takes place on these homework problems with the actual homework, not the notes, okay? So here we go. This was a little blurry, so you might have to open your book to page 48 to follow along, but that's okay. So here we go, page 48, number 3. Page 48, number 3, here we go. As you dive deeper and deeper into the ocean, the pressure of the water on your body steadily increases, okay? If you've been swimming before, you know that, okay? Now, at the surface of the water, before you jump into the water, there's already this many pounds of pressure on your body, okay? Got it? The pressure increases this much for every foot that you go underwater, okay? And does that make sense? Here's the water, here you are swimming, okay? If you dive down, and you're down here swimming, think of all that water that's on top of you. That's a lot of pressure on top of you. So the further down you go, the more pressure there is, alright? They want us to represent the pressure P as a function of the depth for every 20 feet you descend. So, this is not that difficult. Think about it. The pressure on your body is already what before you jump into the water? 14.7 plus it increases 0.445 times every. I'm going to put F for foot. I think the book uses D for depth. That's fine, whatever. I'm using F for feet. So there you go. So if you go down 3 feet, put a 3 in, take 0.445 times 3 plus this, you have a water pressure. If you go down 8 feet underwater, take 0.445 times 8 plus this, it gives you the pressure of 8 feet, okay? So there's your equation for the function, okay? Now, students, there comes a time as we get more and more into the school year. I'm not lazy, but I do expect you to understand certain math, okay? So if you'll look at the problem, maybe I shouldn't have taken that away. If you look at the problem, it says to create an input-output table for the function, okay? An input-output table. Now, instead of me doing that for you, because we should be to the point now where you guys can do a lot of this on your own, if you'll look in the book, they've done it for you. And I will help you with it a little bit. But they've already done it for you. And they said they went from 0 to 120 using increments of 20. Okay? So 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Now, I'm not going to do the math for you, but if you put 0 in here for F, you will get out 14.7. If you put 20 in for F, if you'll look in your book, you'll see you'll get 23.6. If you put 40 in for F, you will get out 0.445 times 40 plus 14.7. You will get out 32.5. And so on and so forth, okay? I'm not going to do all that math for you because it's all calculator work. It's all calculator work, okay? You can simply put 100 in, multiply it together with your calculator, add 14.7, and you'll get 59.2. Remember, for word problems, you're always allowed to use calculators in my class. Alright, there we go. That's it. So there's part B, the input-output table. Pretty simple to do, okay? And again, most of your learning is going to come as you work the homework problems. Now, lastly, they want us to make a line graph, okay? And so we know how to make a line graph. If you look in the book, they've done it for us pretty nicely already. I'll go ahead and draw that for you. It doesn't matter which one's going up and down. I'm just simply going to say that my feet is going across, and I'm going to go increments of 20. That's what my table did, so I'm going to do increments of 20. So, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and I'm off a little bit, 100, 120. So, let's do a little deleting here. There we go. make my rectangle a little smaller. And there's 120 right there. There's 100, 80, 60, 40, 20, okay? Now, this is my feet. So this here is going to be the water pressure, okay? My pressure runs from 14 to 68. So I'm going to go up to 70, going increments of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we'll do a little erasing here to get that taken care of. And that's 70 there, 60, 40, 20, 10, and of course 0 right there. Alright, here we go. So 0 is 14.7, so about right there. And that's incorrect, I apologize. Okay, when I'm at 0 feet, this is my pressure here. When I'm at 0 feet, I'm at 14.7. When I'm at 20 feet, I'm 23.6, about right there. When I'm at 40 feet, we're looking at 32.5, so about right there. When I'm at 60 feet, I'm at 41.4. And this would be 60 here. Sorry guys, having a rough day. 60 feet, 41.4, about right here. 80 feet, this would be 60, 80. At 80 feet, I'm at 50.3, so just about at 50. 100 is 59.2, so just about right there. And at 120, there's 70 right there, we're right about there. So it's pretty much a straight line as you connect these points. And there's your line graph. Okay guys, so really not that difficult. Most of your learning is going to take place as you do the homework problems, okay? I hope that this notes video has been a help. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call or email.